Moreover, you heard from multiple witnesses, including Officer Melissa Sines, Officer Tyler Haddon, and Officer William Gatlin, Isaac Baruch, Alejandro Romero, who saw Ms. Heard on or after May 21st and saw no injuries to her face before she showed up to that courthouse with a mark on May 27th. And the very next day, after Ms. Heard walked into court with what appeared to be a bruise on her face to obtain a domestic violence restraining order against Mr. Depp, Ms. Heard was photographed laughing with her best friend, fresh-faced, with no bruise on her face.
Ouch.
The mountain of evidence that Mr. Depp abused Ms. Heard is simply not there. What we have is a mountain of unproven allegations that are wild, over the top, and implausible. And you can't pick and choose which of these wild allegations to believe and which ones to disregard. You either believe all of it or none of it.
Yeah,
Either
that's
Mr.
the
Depp
way.
Yeah, it's
sexually
still true.
assaulted with a bottle in Australia, or Ms. Heard got up on that stand in front of all of you and made up that horrific tale of abuse. Either she's a victim of truly horrific abuse, or she is a woman who is willing to say absolutely anything.
All the chips in, baby.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All in or
You're gonna
bust.
Go,
Disturbing
yeah,
to
go,
think
go hard,
Ms.
man.
Heard would make up the horrific tales of abuse
have to.
she testified to in this courtroom. But this case doesn't come down to whether you believe Ms. Heard or you believe Mr. Depp. This case comes down to whether you believe Ms. Heard or you believe Mr. Depp, Christy Dombrowski,
Nice.
Sean Bett, Malcolm Connolly, Travis McGivern, Starling Jenkins, Keenan Wyatt,
The kill
Dr.
shot.
Kipper, nurses Debbie Lloyd and Aaron Filati, Tara Roberts, Ben King, Kate James, Kate Moss, Dr. Colber, Morgan Knight, Morgan Tremaine, Officers Melissa Sines, Officers Tyler Haddon, Officer William Gatlin, and Beverly Leonard.
Oh, that was a moment.
What Ms.
right
Heard
there.
testified to in this courtroom is the story of far too many women. But the overwhelming evidence and weight of that evidence shows that it's not her story. It's not Ms. Heard's story. It was an act of profound cruelty, not just to Mr. Depp, but to true survivors of domestic abuse.
Yes.
There
For
you
Ms. Heard
go.
to hold herself out as a public figure representing domestic abuse.
There you go.
It was false, it was defamatory, and it caused irreparable harm